Hello, everybody. Let me turn this down. Hey, how y'all doing? I was just listening to some Orisha music. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, so how y'all doing today? Rorree here. I just got finished earthing and doing my scroll number 2 with Augmentinos, the greatest salesman in the world. And boy, that was so awesome. So I sat outside and connected with Mother Earth for about an hour. That was cool. Okay, let me turn this off. Hold on. Okay. So anyway, um, and before I get to crack a lacking, because I have so much on my plate, but before I got to crack a lacking, I thought I would do a little oracle card for you guys today. So I let a card fall out. I did a couple, so I'll do a few recordings. So anyway, this one is Ojas. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. Let's see. Ojas. I guess I need to put these glasses on. Let's see. Yes, I do. Because the print is pretty small. Let me put on my glasses. Okay, let's see. Ojas or Ojas, I'm not sure, but let me show you the card. All right, so Ojas or Ojas, I don't know how you pronounce it. Subtle essence of health and well-being, peaceful and patient. One look is all it takes to see how much Ojas someone has. So Ojas is a thing, okay? Have people been coming up to you and telling you how healthy, rested, and happy you look? This is Ojas. Ojas is the subtle essence related to health and well-being with which you are filled. You radiate good health with your glowing skin, peaceful demeanor, and patient essence. Your dietary and lifestyle choices are showing up in your appearance and your inner state in reflecting in your outer. Continue caring for your sacred vessel and nourishing your body with the foods and practices that make you thrive. All right? Ojas. Ojas. All right. Well, that was cool. All right. That was one of my yoga cards. So that sounds like some good, fabulous energy that we must be radiating in our inner circle here at Roses, Lavender, and Sage. Yeah. How about that? That sounds really fabulous. I feel like if you don't feel like you're actually radiating the energy at this time, then I feel like that's what you're working towards. I know that's what I'm working towards, having a healthy inside so that it radiates on the outside. And I feel like I know I'm always a work in progress, as all of us are, but I feel like there's some things even that I should release. So I'm continuing to work on myself and release things in my life that are not serving my highest good. Even people, sometimes it's a good idea to release people from your life that are not serving your highest good, or maybe for a period of time you could release them. Maybe may not be a permanent release, maybe it's a temporary release, but maybe it's a necessary release. So I know I do that kind of reflecting all the time. If people are not serving my highest good, I kind of just release them and let them go. I know there was someone close to me that was doing some very destructive behavior, behaving in a very destructive manner and directing that negative energy in my direction because she didn't like that I told her that she couldn't talk to me like that. You know what I mean? Like, I don't accept bullshit. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't understand how someone feels like they just have the right to talk to you any old kind of way, put you down or whatever, or say any old kind of stuff to you and impress upon you their negativity that they probably feel about themselves. Okay, that's what I'm really feeling right here. But I found what she was doing was very manipulative. Um, it would have hurt me in the past. Now I really feel sorry for her. So since I am working on my scroll number 2, where I am focusing on love, you know, love and light, I'm focusing on love. So I decided to send her love. My first instinct was not to send her love. I'm gonna just be honest. My first instinct was to send her, you know, 100 times what she was sending me. But sending her love might be a better thing to do because obviously she's missing that. You know, anytime you lash out at people for no reason and you know, and then start calculatively or you know calculating really devilish things against them, to me you lack self-love, because if you had love for yourself you wouldn't even think to do the things that she's doing to somebody else. So yeah, so sending her some love, I feel like that's what God would want me to do, even though, you know, the human in me might want something else, but I sent her love. How about that? All right. So, anyway, y'all, the card for today was Ohas. And if you're not already reflecting those wonderful things inside, work on that. Work on scroll number 2. All right. Scroll number 2. I've only been doing it for a couple of days, but it really has me checking myself and thinking prior to responding, or I usually respond versus reacting, but you know, at least I thought about different things that I could do in my own personal situations so that I can continue to exude love and light in my life in spite of what is going on all around me. So anyway, you guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you enjoyed that little message for today. Ashe, ashe, ashe. That reminds me of a song. Sashay, Strange, or something. I don't know, but y'all have a great day. Ashe.